Circuit vlog. All right, so I didn't make any progress on the VCA-based stuff this week, but I did work on stuff. So firstly, I figured out how program changes work on the Arturia KeyStep Pro, specifically when interacting with the instruments that I have, which was a nightmare. Took me probably 7 hours of troubleshooting to get this to work. So if you are having trouble with that, check that other video I posted. Also, I built a couple of these. This is a 3-channel mono mixer that I designed ages ago. And I had 2 of these faceplates left and 1 circuit board left. So I built this, and I built a strip board version of it as well, because I like I said, I don't have any more of these PCBs. So it's the same circuit, it just looks shady. And I'm hoping that if I can, I'm just gonna sort of stick these guys next to each other like that in my system, and it'll be just a real shady version of a stereo mixer until I finish these VCA-based mixer module designs. Yeah, so I'm going to test this one before I put it into my... I'm going to test them both. I'm going to test this one a lot before I put it into my system. And I'll show you the schematic, because it's real simple. There's nothing fancy or proprietary, you know. I don't feel like this is my design that no one can copy, so feel free to copy it. It's basically the same as everybody else's simple mixer, so yeah. I'll show you. Okay, I'm sort of mid-drawing this, whatever. So this is basically, this is exactly, not basically. This is the mixer circuit that I used for that module, if you want to copy it. Basically, you have your input here, goes to an attenuator. And if you want to set this to be AC coupled, you just need to throw a cap at the input. And basically this chunk right here, you can repeat for, however many channels you want in your mixer. All right, if we get 100K, this one's also 100K. This is input 2. This is input 1, right? And just make sure to connect them all at the non-inverting input of this first op-amp stage. If you wanted a master volume, replacing this resistor with a potentiometer would do the trick. 100K would give you, your max volume would be equal, like a gain of 1, normal gain. So if you want to bump that up a little bit, you could get some more gain out of it. These caps, I forget exactly what I put on there, but somewhere around, 47 to 100 picofarad. And you don't really need these. You can actually cut those out, but sometimes these op amps can oscillate at high frequencies, so that's what those caps are there for. It's just stability to prevent that oscillation. Yeah, and then normally output impedance for Eurorack is 1K. Yeah, so like I said, you can repeat this 3-component input stage as many times as you like for however many inputs you want. Goes into here, and you can actually take an output from this node. That'll be an inverting out if you want. So, oh, wait a minute. This is 2 non-inverting inputs. This is a non-inverting input. I stumbled over that, but that's okay. I'm trying to move quickly here. Yeah, basically these 2 stages are identical, gain of 1, and they both invert. So your output here will be in phase with your input. But if you wanted, you could take the output from this right here, and you'd have an inverted. And you could do both. Why not? Throw a little 1K resistor right there, and then boom, you got a mixer. That's real simple. Yeah, and yep, that's it. So I built 2 of those I mean, I built more than that, but I just built 2 of them that I'm going to use as a real weird stereo mixer. Ha-ha! Circuit vlog. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Oh, shit.